What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Polkadot token. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that drives the price of this token higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should you expect from the price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and during the video we had very good movement to the upside to finish the fifth wave, and my anticipation was that we have to finish this wave, and I thought we might hit this previous swing high. It is the top of our B wave. It is a retracement from the movement from the very bottom. Let me show it to you right here to this point, and we have slightly different reaction right here. As you can see, we didn't hit this resistance. Instead of this, we have this as our pivot point, and the internal movement was finished right here, and the fifth wave from this bottom to this top also was finished right here. And as you can see, we have very good reaction in a shape of simple zigzag, and this was our A wave, this was our B and the C wave. And I've told you that we have to hit the levels of 0.382 and 0.5 as our accumulation points. And if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, look what do we have here. We hit exactly 0.382 and broke it to the downside, and we hit exactly the 0.5 level as our main accumulation point. And this asset, as I already mentioned, is extremely technical. And from these 2 points, if you accumulate your position right here and right here, your average price was about $32.83, and you're up for about 24% to our current price, and to the highest point you were up for about 32%. And I have to say that this movement didn't finish yet, and I will show you in my technical analysis what should we expect. But for now, let's continue with the total crypto market sentiment. And we are sitting on the market cap of $2.38 trillion. It is a 2.66% increase over the last day, and we have very good green moves from top 3 coins. We have 3.58% gains for Bitcoin, 3.46% for Ethereum, and during the last 7 days they are also significantly higher than it was traded previously. And let me show you the Polkadot. It is a leader on the market right now. During the last 7 days it's up for about 30%, and during the last 24 hours it's up for 14.32%. And for now its total market cap is $40.44 billion, and the total tradable volume during the last 24 hours is $5.17 billion. It's up for 170%. And this recent movement has the huge volume, as you can see, and this means a lot of anticipation, and a lot of bulls added their position with Polkadot, and that's why we have this massive surge in volume. So what was the news that drives the price of this token higher? Let me show you this. On coindesk.com on October 14th we have this article, and it's titled "Polkadot sets date for hotly anticipated parachain auctions." And I have to say that on my previous video I've told you about this potential catalyst, and it happened. And let me quote you this: "The much anticipated parachain auction process, where projects are allocated slots for building on the Polkadot cryptocurrency network, kicks off next month. The first of the auctions is slated to begin on November 11th, according to the Polkadot Council. A proposal was submitted to the governance forum minutes ago. Almost exactly 5 years after the vision of a heterogeneous multi-chain framework was first outlined in the Polkadot white paper, parachains are now officially ready for launch on Polkadot," Polkadot founder Robert Habermeyer said in a blog post shared with CoinDesk. The last technical steps to complete before launching parachains on Polkadot were the finalization of parachain disputes and Polkadot's full code audit, both of which had now been completed, according to Habermeyer. And this news is extremely important for Polkadot because it was highly anticipated in Polkadot community, and that's why we have this massive surge in volume right here. And let me show you that on our technical chart on trading view, we also have a huge volume with this movement to the upside. This means this asset for now is extremely bullish. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let's start with the microscopic analysis of the recent movement. As you can see, we have clear two waves with this movement, with this huge volume. This means this wave potentially is the third wave, third internal wave right here. This is the first, second, third, fourth, and in my opinion we might have one more leg to the upside to finish the fifth wave. And potentially this wave might be, let me measure this movement, from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave and to the bottom of the retracement. This top might land at the range of 47, potentially right here at this point, and it will finish the third wave on slightly bigger scale. Let me clean the chart a little bit. We might have something like this on a slightly bigger scale. This is our first wave, this is our second. This top will be the top of our third wave. Then fourth retracement and fifth wave somewhere at the top. So what should you do if you want to enter the position with this asset? First of all, from this point we might see some lower price action in order to unload the third wave. Because for now we hit only, let me show it to you, we hit only 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level, and we might have some lower price points, and depending on this price action we will have a new target of this top. That's why if you want to enter the position, you can accumulate it on every 4 hours red candle, because we might see some lower price targets, and from this point we might have another leg to the upside to finish the fifth wave. Then we will have another retracement, and this will be your next potential opportunity to enter the position. And I think I will do another update in order to make it more clear for you. But for now, you have a very good possibility to enter the position, and in my opinion the range of 0.5 at around $38.8, and this range was broken easily with this movement to the upside, but we might land to this point in order to retest this support/resistance, and then we might have a next leg to the upside, and from this point I will do an update to project some targets. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. Just accumulate your position, because we are extremely bullish with the parachain auctions, and that's why Polkadot will break the all-time high, and let me show it to you that our previous all-time high was at the range of about $50, if I remember it correct. Yes, it was right here at $49.61, and we have huge room to grow to break this previous high, and from this point we will establish new all-time high, and this asset will skyrocket by the end of this year. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!